How to sign up for a new account on Lowe. Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to easily create an account on Lowe. First thing you have to do is simply go to the search bar and search for lowiz.com. And once you head over here, you'll find the sign in option at the top right corner of your screen. Just tap on it, then click on sign in or create. And once you get to the sign in page, you can just go ahead and enter your email address and click on continue. Then you can click on create personal account. Go ahead and enter all of the details here, like your first name, your last name, and then your email address. Enter your phone number. And once you've entered your phone number, just create a password. It has to be 8 to 128 characters long, and it should include at least one letter and number with no spaces and have no more than 3 consecutive characters. Now just go ahead and click on create account. And once you've done that, your account should be created now. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.